Oh hey guys, what's up? Good morning. We've got some fun stuff planned for today, so let's get going. Alright, so we're just out here picking everybody up. We're getting a bit of a group together. We've got a few people here. We've got one more person we need to go pick up. And then we'll be driving up past Salt Lake, head out to the Salt Flats. Oh, that one's pretty low looking. Kaylin's having to check her tire pressure because
Can I have a tissue then?
you're gonna make it in the vlog, Kaylin.
Woo!
Congratulations.
Thanks.
How's that coming, Kaylin?
I don't know yet. It seems like I'm losing. I really feel like I'm losing pressure.
All right, we have gotten the tires figured out. We have full inflation and we are on our way. I mean, we just went through like 4 parking lots trying to, like, where are we going, Kaylin? I wish I would have been recording all that.
We thought you were going to go to Panda Express.
I was about to throw stuff.
You were about to throw
Yeah, like, I'm okay with most stuff. I'm not okay with Panda.
What?
That's fake Chinese food. I'm not okay with fake Chinese food.
He's been in Hong Kong though, so that's why he's skeptical.
Okay, it's telling me that it's like straight across from where we are.
Straight across.
You see it?
Well, I mean, I see something there. I don't know what that is, though.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'll just keep following you if you change your mind or whatever, so.
We'll try again. I don't know. I don't think there's a light to get out over here, is there?
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll find out. Let's do this. Let's do this! Love you.
We're trying to find food, guys. We're trying to bring you a food vlog, but
hungry.
so far we're failing.
We're starving.
Oh, wait. Bonsai, that sounds like it might be Thai-ish, maybe. Guess we'll see. More to come. Well, all that driving around, we want to make it to the restaurant, but they are closed until the 1st. It is currently the 30th. 29th? No, today's 29th.
29th.
Ah, shoot.
Rip.
Lies. Alright, well, Chick-fil-A it is, guys. Chick-fil-A it is. Alright, guys, we've got the Chick-fil-A, and we've got a line outside that is longer than I don't even know. It is lunch hour, and we got our food in like 5 seconds? Yeah, it was like instantaneous. We got food. Alright, guys, here we are. We have made it. It took a little bit, but we are here. Now, the question is, oh, well, they've got their U-Haul down there. See, that's what I need to figure out. How do I get my car down there?
Just gotta run it up here on the curve.
So that's where we really want to be. It looks like most people drive down. Oh, I guess there's a. I thought maybe there was a little curb over there. Oh, we're gonna off-road it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be an adventure. Woo! I'm gonna pray that there are no nails because, well, the last thing I want to do is get a flat tire out here because that would suck. But yeah, here we go. Let's do this.
That would become a whole day adventure.
Oh yeah, it would. No, one time I went up to Park City, and when I got to Park City, I tried parking, and as I was trying to park, I hit the curb, and it turns out those curbs are very unforgiving.
Yeah.
And it sliced my tire open.
No way.
Luckily, I made it all the way back on that tire, so I was able to then in Provo get it replaced. But yeah, that was unfortunate. Pictures on Instagram. Check it out.
There we go.
Wow, I've got more traction out here than I thought it would. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Woo!
Oh, we're going fast. I don't think I've ever been in a car going 100 before. This is gnarly.
All right.
Woo! All right, how was the first go round?
It was good.
Good.
It was fun.
What was good about it?
Car didn't break. That's what was good.
Oh gosh! All right, hitting what are we hitting?
70.
70.
There's 80.
Oh my gosh!
There's 90.
Baptizing the car.
There's 100.
Actually, it's probably already been baptized. That's so crazy. Look at that. How do you feel when you go that fast?
Decent. It's actually like relatively
Is it
flat,
exhilarating?
so it's a little less scary than sometimes when you go that fast. Because sometimes you go that fast and it's like.
Oh gosh!
Well, guys, the car is now covered in salt. First place we are going when we get back is definitely the car wash because we are covered in salt. It is everywhere. It is in the wheel wells. It is in the undercarriage. It's everywhere. Was that fun, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was lit. Your car was amazing.
Oh, thank you. Alright guys, we're back home. We've gotten pretty much all the salt off the car. There's just a little bit left, so we're going to finish getting her cleaned up. Just scrub through the wheel wells one more time, get her actually soaped down and such, and that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching this episode. If you liked it, please leave thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.